Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to convert mathematical expression to Java statement. So okay, got some examples. So first example of mathematical expression is a square plus bc. So how to convert it into Java expression? So you should know, you should be aware of Bodmas rule, so that it will be easy for you to solve it. So here it's straightforward, a into a plus b into c. So according to the rule, Bodmas rule, asterisk have the higher precedence than the plus sign. So a into a will work first, and then b into c in the second, and then finally it will add both the terms. And since it is Java expression, you have to end it with semicolon. The same thing can be written using mathematical function. That is a professional way of writing. So here math dot POW. So POW function, you will find the power of the given argument. So the argument is a, and then you are going to find the power, that is 2. So a square, and then plus the remaining term. So a b into c. Now semicolon. Okay. This is how you will write the Java statement for the mathematical expression. Next is a square minus b square divided by ab. So if you notice here, numerator is a square minus b square, that is the whole expression is a numerator. Since it is whole expression, you have to use parenthesis so that it will be evaluated first and then finally divided by a and b. Now a into a minus b into b close parenthesis, then divided by, again you have two expression, a into b, that should be given within parenthesis. Otherwise what happens is it will divide only by a, because according to the rule, if you have a expression like with division symbol, and that is slash and asterisk in the same expression, it will evaluate from the left to right. Associativity will be from left to right. If you don't put this parenthesis, you have a slash symbol and asterisk symbol. So a slash symbol will work first, which will be divided by only by a. That means it won't include b. So you have to put parenthesis so that it will multiply first and then finally it will divide. Then you use the semicolon. The same way you can use mathematical function math dot POW a comma 2. Okay. So here the whole expression should be within the parenthesis. So open parenthesis and then minus again math dot POW b comma 2. So numerator is over, then close the outside parenthesis. Okay, we'll reduce the font size so that it will be visible. Then finally again open parenthesis for the denominator, a into b, then semicolon. So this is how you will write the expression for the above mathematical expression. Next is ut plus 1 by 2 a t square. So how to write this? U asterisk t plus, now 1 by 2 can be written as the whole expression divided by 2. So you can write the expression first. So a into, so t square can be written t into t. Now you can divide that whole expression within by divided by 2. So you can put parenthesis and separate that expression, then divided by 2. Now what happens here? The expression which is in the parenthesis will be evaluated first, that is a into t, and then u into t will be evaluated, and then finally divided by 2. Okay. The same thing can be written using mathematical function u asterisk t plus within parenthesis a into math dot POW t comma 2, then close the parenthesis, outer parenthesis, and then divided by 2 semicolon. So this is how you can write the Java statement. Next one is uv divided by u plus v. So here you no need of any mathematical function, you can straight away write the expression. So numerator should be separate, so u into v within parenthesis divided by u plus b semicolon. So it's a straightforward expression. Next is a plus b the whole square plus b. So a plus b the whole square. So how will you write? Normally is a plus b into, again bracket a, the whole term you are multiplying twice, and then plus b. Using mathematical function, you will write math dot POW. Now you have a whole expression, not an argument, single argument. You have two variables, so you have to write another open another parenthesis, and then write a plus b, close the inner parenthesis, and then you put the comma, and then 2. So close the parenthesis for the mathematical function math dot pow, then plus b, then semicolon. Okay. Next is 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. So how to write this? So 2 asterisk open bracket L into B. For every argument, that is every operand, you should have an operator in between. That's so you have to make sure that you should have an operator. Then L into B, L into H. Okay, then semicolon. So you don't have a mathematical expression for this. So how it works is it will execute the inner parenthesis first. There is only one parenthesis that will be evaluated first. So here you got asterisk and plus sign. So first asterisk will be evaluated. So here you got 3 asterisk symbol. So first it will go from the left to right. Associative will be from the left to right. So B into L into B will be evaluated first, and then B into H, and then finally L into H. Then finally it will add the first 2 expression, and then add the third expression. Then finally multiply by 2. Next is a square plus b square. So you already done this in the previous example. So I am directly going for mathematical expression math dot POW a comma 2 plus math dot POW b comma 2. Okay, then semicolon. Next is so final one, expression x cube plus y cube into xy divided by 3. So here you can notice xy divided by 3 is a term, that is xy whole divided by 3, and it should be multiplied by y cube. So how to write normal expression is you have to put x into x into x. So you already seen so many normal expressions, so I am just going with mathematical expression. So math dot pow x comma 3. So it will be very easy for you to write mathematical expression than the normal one. It is easy to understand. So y comma 3. So first half is over. Now second half you are multiplying it. Okay. So when you use multiplication symbol, it should be separate, right? So you have to put a parenthesis again. Then x into y. Okay. Then divided by 3. And then semicolon. So before here you can notice x divided by 3 y into y divided by 3 is separate term. So when you execute this, what happens is it will find the power function x comma 3 and y comma 3, and then it will multiply the first expression, that is x into y. That means numerator will be multiplied here. That should not be the case. So what you have to do is first you have to evaluate this half, second half. Okay. Now what happens is you will find the math dot pow x comma 3, that is x cube and y cube will be executed. Then you can see inner bracket, that is x into y will be evaluated, then divided by 3. That whole expression will be multiplied with the remaining. Okay. So now it will come correctly. I think hope you understood how to convert mathematical expression to Java expression. We will meet in the next video. Till then, thank you.